Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. This is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, some product reviews, and I basically pull myself together. So today we'll be doing a review of some products by Curls Dynasty and going over my wash day routine. If you want to see how these products worked out on my hair and watch my wash day routine, be sure to stay tuned. Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I am just going ahead and rinsing my hair down. I have a whole detangling routine, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But in short, I kind of just detangle my hair with some easy slip conditioner and then section my hair off so it'll be easier for me to get down to the washing process. So what makes my wash day easier is by having my hair already sectioned off when I get into the shower. My hair doesn't get all crazy detangled while I'm washing, and I also have a good basis of parts to start styling. So today we're going to be starting off with the Coco Mint. This is the Coco Mint Moisturizing Shampoo. When you see me here, just trying to work into a lather. Now, I just want to show you guys the consistency of this shampoo in my hand so you guys can really get a feel for it. And it's kind of runny. Now, it took me a little bit of shampoo really to get that lathering effect that I really like. The best part about this shampoo was like the little mint feeling, that cooling, tingling feeling I got from it. Now, I didn't feel as though the shampoo itself was very moisturizing, but my scalp and hair felt very clean afterwards. So for my wash days, I do 2 washes. So as y'all saw with the first wash, I was basically focused on the roots, making sure I get my roots really clean. And then I go in for a second wash where I focus on the hair shaft and the ends of my hair. And I go back to the roots too. Definitely gotta make sure your scalp is really clean. And you know, that just ensures great scalp health. Great scalp health, you know, you healthier hair. So make sure y'all really get that scalp and make sure your hair is really clean. Something else I wanted to point out is kind of how I wash my hair. Y'all see it kind of how I'm drawing the product down my hair. Like I try to make sure that even in the washing process, conditioning process, that I'm being mindful not to tangle my hair that much. So now with each section, I like to shampoo, rinse it all out really well, and then follow it with my conditioner, okay? And then retwist the section and then go up to the next section. So I went in with the Give Me Slip Moisturizing Conditioner, and this is supposed to be a blast hydration conditioner. Just to go ahead and put it out on my hand so you guys can see the consistency. Now this conditioner was very watery, very liquidy. Kind of not really my favorite, but it smells really good. It has like a light scent to it. But I will say that, you know, in the shower as I was using this conditioner, it didn't give me as much slip as I'm used to with my normal conditioner. And like I said, I thought it was just kind of on the watery side. But I went ahead and put it through all sections of my hair. Now, I didn't have a deep conditioner from this line, so I kind of wanted to make sure I left the conditioner enough just to give me kind of like that deep conditioning feel before I went on to the next step. Y'all see me here getting down to that last section. I have conditioner in it and I went through the entire head, you know, put conditioner on each section. I'm going to just go ahead and pin the hair up. Then I'll go ahead and take my shower, and after my shower, then I'll rinse all the conditioner out of my head. And as you can see, I leave the clips on so the twist won't unravel, therefore reducing the tangling. Okay, so at this point we out of the shower. Our hair is clean, so it's time to get in with the next step of the process. So here I went in with the KALAHARI Smoothie Leave In Conditioner. Now this leave-in conditioner makes up for where the rinse out conditioner lacks, okay? Now this leave-in conditioner is thick, baby, thick, and it has a really good like light and almost like, I can't even describe it, like fruit, like a fruit berry type of scent. Like it's so good, but like the consistency of it is really thick. It would definitely, this Kalahari leave-in conditioner makes up for, you know, the thinness of the conditioner that you're supposed to use in the shower. And the smell of this is absolutely wonderful. Like, now this right here is my favorite out of the line so far. Okay, so I go ahead and make sure I massage the product into my hair, make sure it's fully coated, every strand is saturated with that leave-in conditioner. I go ahead and give myself a quick old brush through so I can prepare for braiding. So after I had, you know, that leave-in conditioner all worked in through my hair, I wanted to go in and make sure I seal in all that good moisture with Right here, we have icing on the curl, and this is a whipped shea butter. So basically, just showing you guys the consistency of this. It's really just basically like a shea butter. It's not like your thickest shea butter that you would get like out of the tins or when you buy the blocks of shea butter. It has been whipped and it has a very nice, you know, buttery type of vibe. And then the scent on this is more floral, where the leave-in conditioner is more berry-like. So I'm assuming that, you know, Curls Dynasty wanted to make like their shampoo and their in-shower conditioner a little bit thinner, since you'll be using more heavier products during the styling process. So I went ahead and started using this shea butter to kind of seal in all the goodness that I have in my hair so far, and just to use it as a styling product. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and rubbed that ice on the curl into my hands, you know, warm it up a little bit, and then I went ahead and coated my strands, you know, trying to seal in that moisture from that Kalahari conditioner, making sure I'm focusing on those ends. Okay, y'all see my hair kind of shiny right there, okay? Got good bounce back curl, you know, doing a little something, something, okay. Then I went ahead and divided my hair into 3 sections and then began to braid on down. I mean, braids are just like my signature, okay? And a braid is so versatile. I mean, it just can create any style you want. And then I went ahead and sealed the end of my hair with a little more of that whipped shea butter, coiled the hair around my fingers. Now be sure to visit curlsdynasty.com and pick up a few of these products, okay? And remember to use my referral code KAYAR15. And look how those braids are coming together. I mean, look how juicy and plump they are. And as you can see, I just went ahead and braided my hair all up, and you can see how shiny and how glossy and how moisturized my plaits look. Now, I will point out that none of the products that I use here are like a curl activator, okay? So if you don't have really defined curls, these products that I use here won't give you like that pop or that curl that you're looking for. If you notice down when I was kind of coiling the end of my plaits around my finger, they didn't really curl as when I use my curl activator, as y'all have probably seen in my other videos. But overall, I think these are some pretty good products, okay? Like I said, you know, the shampoo and the in-shower conditioner is a little bit more lighter, and then the styling products they have are more dense. So I think these will be some great products to definitely use in the winter time, especially with the thicker shea butter and the thicker leave-in conditioner. So you'll definitely be setting yourself up for some good moisture retention and moisture locking products with the Curls Dynasty line. Now, if you enjoyed my wash day product review, don't forget to like this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If there are any other products that you want me to review, definitely let me know down below. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.